Hey guys, so welcome to this video series of mine entitled Vector Addition. And so this will be the second part of the video series that I have, and this will be about vector addition. And so yeah, let's get started. So right here we have the given problems, or rather the given examples. So the first one is 19 newtons at 6 degrees northwest, and the second given is 17 newtons at 18 degrees southwest, and so the third given is 2 newtons at 4 degrees southeast. And so to better understand this, we must write first a Cartesian plane in order to show it. Yeah, so let's get right to it. Now that we have a Cartesian plane, the next thing that we should do is plot these given examples in the plane. And so, oh, and by the way guys, this will not have a proper angle because I don't have a protractor with me, but please understand that this is for representation purposes only, so it will not be accurate. And so the next thing that we should do is to create a table to tabulate these givens. So yeah, the table should have a magnitude, an angle or theta, the x coordinate, and the y coordinate. And so the next thing that we should do is we should plot the given. So in the first one is magnitude, and so for this second table, how to get this is we should get our angles from these given plane. And so yeah, the first one should be right here, so 19. So what we should do is we should start from first this point east until the point west, and so these 2 points create 180 angle. And so yeah, what we should do is to do this to go until we reach this angle right here, this point right here. And so what we should do when we reach that point is we should subtract 6 degrees from this whole horizontal line, which is 180. So yeah, it should be 180 minus 6, which gives us 174 degrees. And so the second one would be here. For the second one, we should start at point north to point south. And what we should do is to create another 180 degree angle. I should have put it right here so we can have a full circle, but I didn't think that through. So yeah, we should start from this point to this point, which what we should do, by the way, is instead of subtracting, we should add instead. So we should add 180 plus 18, and this would give us the second given, which would be 198 degrees. So yeah, 198 degrees. And so for the third one, what we should do is to create a full circle. And since we have this angle right here, this open angle right here, instead of having 360, we should minus 4 degrees from it. We should subtract rather. So we will have a 356 degrees angle for the third one. 356. So yeah, and to get the third and fourth givens, that was how I got my x and y coordinates, and here's a clean slate. And so the next thing that I should do is, or rather we should do, is to replace these variables, I think, into the values that we got in the previous page. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so now that I have this, the next thing that I should do, or we should do, is to square and then add, and then the next thing that we should do is to get its square root. So let's go, guys. Now, from what you've seen just now, guys, we have now our final vector. So this is it, negative 21.51 newtons. So the next thing that we should do is to find its angle. And how? I will show you right now. After doing so, now that we have got this value 0.1028122122.165, the next thing that we should do is to use the arctan function of our calculator. So yeah, one zero two 8122165, and so the result would be 5.87 degrees. So this is our final answer. So yeah, we have this. So now 21.51 newtons. Guys, don't forget the unit. It's very important that you do not forget the unit. At 5.87 degrees of, I think, 5.87 of southwest. Why southwest? Because we have a negative x-axis and we have a negative y-axis, and the things that are found in the negative axis on the Cartesian plane are both the south and the west part. So yeah, southwest. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace.